Cats are fascinating creatures, and when they bring you dead animals, it's not just a gruesome gift. It's actually a sign of affection and instinct. In the wild, mother cats teach their kittens to hunt by bringing back prey. So when your cat drops a mouse at your feet, they might be trying to share their hunting success or show you they see you as part of their family. It's their way of saying, "Look what I can do." Some experts even suggest it's a way for them to show they care, like a cat version of bringing home dinner. So, next time you find a little present, remember, it's a compliment wrapped in fur.